Alright, we have some leftover paint. I have this vase here. Really didn't clean it. I can't get the sticker off. This is just going to be for me. So, we're just going to pour on it and see what we get. I really didn't try too hard to get that sticker off. But like I said, it's just for me, so. I don't really have anything tall enough to hold this vase. So I just have one of my apple barrel paint bottles with a stack of cups on top of it, holding this up. So, you know, we do what we gotta do. These are the same paints, that neon pink mixed with pink parfait, the bright aqua green by Liquitex, cobalt blue from Apple Barrel, and the metallic purple from Artist Loft, and the antique, maybe it's pure gold, what it is, pure gold from Folk Art Metallic. So help this along in a couple spots. Purple. Paint there. Go. And let's just finish it off with a little spiral up here. Because we can. There we go. And we'll let that all run down and see what we end up with. No matter what, I'm going to have myself a beautiful face. Maybe that'll be my Mother's Day present to myself. Take it down. Okay. Up. Some nice patterns in there. And I will finish this off with 3 coats of an outdoor varnish so that it can hold some flowers. Don't worry, no cups were harmed in the making of this video. All of those cups will be used. No waste, no waste. And all that paint down there, I think I might just do a dip. I'm gonna pause you on that. Okay, I'm back. We're gonna do a dip. I just kind of ran around the edges with some other colors. And we're going to stretch this out as much as we can. The smallest canvas I have is an 8 by 10. So should probably put some pegs in here first, huh? Okay. Okay, you ready? I'm not. All right. Up. Oh, snap. It's all right. Get your edges. See if we can't salvage some of this. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Put it on the floor and hope cat doesn't walk through it. All right. There we go. Can you see that? Kind of. Let's move it up. It's not too bad. I think the metallics in there helped it out. pause you and take you in for a close-up. All right. So this was our dip from our over pour. Not bad. I guess we'll have to wait and see if it sparks joy, as what's that woman's name? The joy sparker person. Marie Kondo or something like that. I'm pretty happy with it, I think. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you enjoyed anything that I do, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you know when we upload new videos. We try to do it on the weekends. Doesn't always happen. Thanks, guys. Have a great Sunday.